Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of reflexive pronouns in English. These little words might seem simple, but they are essential for clear and accurate communication. Let's refresh our memory with the reflexive pronouns. For singulars, we are going to use I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. And for plurals, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, they, themselves. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of a sentence is also the object. They are like a mirror reflecting the action back to the subject. For example, she brushed herself. Here, she is both the person brushing and the person being brushed. He cut himself while chopping onions. The action of cutting is directed back at him. They introduced themselves to the new neighbors. The action of introducing is directed back at them. Create your own example and leave it in the comments. What makes reflexive pronouns unique? They are also used when a person performs an action without anyone else's help. The dog was scratching itself. The dog was performing the action without help from another being. She achieved the task by herself. She finished everything without any help from others. Moreover, there are some verbs which are never used with reflexive pronouns. They are as follows: wash, relax, shave, behave, concentrate, feel, stand up, dress, adapt, hurry, complain, meet, hide, kiss, wake, and smile. To demonstrate, she relaxed on the couch with a good book. We do not use herself after relaxed. I feel a little bit better today. We do not use myself after feel. He complained about the noise. We do not use himself after complained. I woke up early this morning. We do not use myself after woke. But definitely there are some exceptions. The phrase behave yourself is a command or request to act in a well-mannered, polite, or appropriate way. This phrase is typically used when someone is acting out of line or when there's a potential for misbehavior. It's a way of asking someone to be respectful and follow social norms. For instance, children, behave yourselves while I'm at the store. Parents telling their children to be good while they are away. Create your own example and leave it in the comments. Dress yourself means you put on your clothes all by yourself. We generally use it towards children who are big enough to do it. To illustrate, you are a big helper now. Can you dress yourself? The reflexive pronoun yourself is the core of the message. It emphasizes that the child is the one performing the action, not someone else. Reflexive pronouns also appear in set expressions, which are phrases with fixed meanings. For example, help yourself to some cake. This means feel free to take as much cake as you want. Have fun and enjoy yourself. This means have a good time. Just be yourself. Don't try to be someone else. This means to be true to yourself and don't pretend to be someone you are not. Welcome. Please make yourselves at home. This phrase means that the guests are welcome to act as if they were in their own home, to feel comfortable and relaxed. That's all for today. I hope you have learned a thing or two about reflexive pronouns. Remember, even the most confident speakers sometimes get them mixed up. Don't be too hard on yourself. Just keep practicing, and you will become a pro in no time. See you in the next video.